guys, welcome back to the channel. For those who are new, my name is Nisha and I want to say welcome to today's video. We are going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look that you guys see right here. Boo, cooking and stirring it up today. I really love this look. Y'all, I told y'all, if y'all haven't seen the first video for 2022, I told you guys I am going to take full advantage of all of the palettes that I have in my collection, because I at least want to use each palette that I have in my collection at least 3 to 4 times before this year's up. I feel like if I don't lean towards that number on a palette, then at the end of the year I am going to eventually toss that palette, throw it away, and call it a day, because I actually counted my palettes. I said I had 180, I think. No, I have 290 palettes. That's a lot. That is freaking a lot. That's almost 300, and I know I'm going to buy more this year because I just know I'm just going to be a little bit more careful when it comes to buying. I'm not going to buy everything that drops. So this palette that I'm going to be using today is a palette that I got last year. Never tried it. It was just sitting in my collection, just collecting dust. This is why we're going to be doing that this year, because I have a lot of palettes that's just collecting dust that I've never freaking put a brush to, because I was buying them because it was the trend. I was buying them because it was new. I was buying it because, just because, for no reason. But anyway, this is by the brand Posh Couture, and this was an actual collaboration with this beautiful Instagrammer right here. I absolutely love her. So if you guys do have Instagram, you probably know who she is, because I feel like everybody follow her because her work of art is absolutely amazing. Okay, so this is my third Posh Couture palette, and I will have to say, after using it today, this is definitely my favorite palette that they have ever created. So the collaboration with her was spot on, perfect. And it's kind of like a full-on matte palette. There's only 2 like metallic formulas in here, which is this silver and this gold. Everything else is full on matte. So I am a matte lover, so this palette is just everything. There's no mirror in this though. That was the only thing that was kind of disappointed about, but it's okay because I never really use the mirrors inside the palettes anyway. I'm always using my hand ones. But anywho, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this look using this palette. So if you guys want to see this whole shebanger, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's jump right into this look. I already prepped my eyes with my e.l.f. primer, my JUVIAS shade number 2, and my cut crease stencil, which I will definitely link down in the description box so you guys can check them out. Alright, so you guys have already seen from the intro what palette we're going to be using. I'm excited to try it out because I think this is like my second palette from this brand that I'm giving a try. And then the first one I got, actually wait, no, I think I have 3 palettes from this brand. One was given to me through PR, and then I bought the second one, and then I bought this one. So, and plus this girl, this makeup artist, you guys, if you guys don't follow her on Instagram, she is freaking amazing. So I definitely want to support both of them, the brand and the makeup girl who collaborated with this line. So let's get into this look. You already know the routine. I'm about to start off with my brow bone highlight, which is my favorite brow bone highlight to use ever, and this is by Ulta Beauty. That I'm gonna set right underneath the brow bone. Alright, so the first thing I would like to go in with is a nice like transition color, and I believe there's like 2 beautiful browns in here. Okay, no, it's one brown. I don't know what I was looking at. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this brown. I'm gonna pop this right in my crease. This looks really close to my skin tone, but we're gonna make this work. I was trying to find a more smaller detail crease brush, but I don't know where any of my stuff is at. So let's try a new brush today. This is of course by Morphe. I think like 80% of the brushes that I do use are from Morphe. They have really good quality brushes. It's a little bit more better fluffy than this one. Yeah, this one's a little bit more wider. I wanted it to be a little bit more narrow so I can really get in my crease area. So I'm gonna start off with, I wanna go in with this pretty blue color right here. And I'm just gonna put it in the inner part of my crease and in the outer part. And don't be afraid if you are following my steps and you do lose a little bit of that brown. You can always go back and reapply it just to make sure that we bring that color back into the look, which I am going to do. Now that I feel like I have my desired crease colors, I'm kind of tempted on adding one more color. I was just debating if I want to do it. The decisions. I'm just gonna leave it like this because if I make it too dark, and then I'm just gonna be upset. So I'm gonna remove the stencils. Then I'm gonna fill them in with my mixture of JUVIAS shade 1 and my Glam Light icing in the shade Caramel. More about getting it perfect because the main part of where I really want the cut crease to be is in the center because I'm about to fill this inner and outer part up. All right, for my center part of my lid, I'm gonna go in with this nice neon green color. And I'm gonna place this right in the center of the eye. I really like how neon this green is. It is like bright in your face neon green. So I definitely want to deepen the inner and outer just a little bit. So I'm going to go in with the dark blue in the palette. This looks freaking amazing. It's like it's giving me like alien vibes. I don't know why, but I really love how this look. I definitely want to add a little bit more something. Let's grab some glitter. Let me grab some glitter really quick and pop it on this inner just to bring it out a lot more better. Literally taking a little bit of this neon glitter. This glitter from Michaels. So it's actually like craft glitter, which is not really safe for the eyes. But I do what I want to do. I'm a little daring when it comes to my looks. I actually want to add another glitter mix. Hold on. That Michaels glitter with this actual glitter as well. So I feel like this one is going to blend in like perfect to where you're not going to see like a difference on the center. So this one is by Glow Up Academy. And then this is what this glitter looks like. Alright, so I'm going to take a little bit of some glitter glue. And then I'm going to press it right on top of that. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking beautiful. Okay, so the rest of my face is on. For my foundation, I do have on the Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation by Maybelline. And then for my concealer, I did go in with Dose of Colors for underneath my eyes for a highlight. Yeah, so I think I'm just going to smoke out the bottom because it's a lot going on and I don't want to look too dramatic, although I'm okay with that. But I'm just going to do black. So I'm just going to put this in my waterline. I'm thankful that there's a black eyeshadow in here, so I'm just going to take a little bit of that and just smudge it at the bottom. definitely need a inner popper color. Oh my gosh, this glitter's like falling on my face. So inner popper color, I'm leaning towards 2 colors. I think I'm going to mix this like metallic silver mixed with this baby blue color. I just realized it's only like 2, yeah, it's only 2 metallic colors in here. This is pretty much a full-on matte palette, which is absolutely amazing. So only this silver and this gold are metallic colors, and I think that's perfect because those are mainly like inner color popper colors. So like I get a little bit tacky, and I'm gonna mix the 2 together and then pop it right in the center. I contour with my Juvia, okay, and then my powders, I always use Beauty Bakerie underneath the eyes, and then Maybelline for all over the face. So now we're going to move on to the lips. I'm going for a nude pink color, so I'm going to go in with ColourPop, and I'm just going to line my lips with a pencil. And then the lip color I'm going to go for is by Kiss Me, and this one is called Bride to Be. Alright, and then for my blush, I'm going to go in with Beauty Bakerie, and this one is called Freshly Baked. Pop that right on the cheeks, and I'm definitely going to over highlight my nose because I like how that looks on me. So I'm gonna find a highlighter to pick. This is my favorite freaking highlighter by Hank and Henry. Y'all just wait for it. Wait for it. Look at that. I barely put any on. So I'm gonna set my face and then pop on some lashes, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final look. All right, my love, so this completes the look, girl. Here for everything. I did change up my lip color. Well, I tried to change up my lip color just a little bit because I wasn't really feeling that color with this look. So I did go in with the Profusion and Mean Girls lip gloss. And I really, really like this lip gloss because it's so pretty. It has like a holographic effect to it. So pretty. And then in the center, I just added a little bit more of a nude shade. And it's just a Juvia lip gloss. That is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. Definitely give this look a try. And let me know if you guys have this palette. For all my palette hoarders, did you guys buy this palette? This is really, really a good palette. I was very pleased with the quality because I want to know what is your input when it comes to this palette. I definitely say I like her. The quality is good. My eyes look amazing. So I definitely will be trying Sis again, because if we don't, then we're going to get rid of her by the end of the year. So I really like her. So I gotta make a promise to come back and do a couple more looks using this beautiful palette. Yes. Okay. She's so cute. But anywho, you guys have a beautiful day. You guys stay blessed, stay amazing, stay safe in these streets. Corona is out. And of course, I'll see you guys Friday with a new makeup tutorial or whatever I'll bring Friday. But yes, so see you guys Friday.